So, you guessed it right! Today we're gonna make and color a ball! We all play with the ball! Let's get started then! First we draw the outline, joining the dots like this. Join the dots to give it a shape like a ball. Like this. Join this one here and this one down here. Now fill in the yellow color. Right here. Start from the edges and then fill in the color like this. Be careful on the outlines. Start coloring at the edges first, then fill in the color. That's right. Now we take the color red and start coloring the next section. We start from the edges. Be careful and then fill it up all the way till the up. Like this. Be careful. Make sure the color doesn't smudge on the line. Yeah, along the line. And now fill it up. Nice and easy. I love the color red. Fill it all the way. Make sure there are no gaps. Well, now take the color light blue and start coloring towards the edges. Like this. And fill the color. Be careful on the edge. Fill up the color nice and easy with simple strokes like this. Be careful towards the edge here. Especially in the corners. Make sure the color doesn't cross the outline. Fill up the gaps. And now the color green. We'll start by coloring from the edge and then carefully the curve. Simple straight strokes like this. Make sure you don't smudge the green with the blue. Coloring is so much fun. You just need to be a little careful. You can make little sections so that you can do it neatly. Like this. Simple straight strokes give it a nice texture. Fill up the gap. Nice! Nice and easy. Draw lines and make little sections like this so that it's little at a time. We're almost done here. But don't rush yourself. Be careful. Nice. Yay! Fill in the gaps if you see any. Now for the top of the ball, let's take a blue color pen and paint it in blue. Be careful, don't smudge over. Yay! The ball is ready. Let's play! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.